Oh, I guess it's time to start investing. Let's go.
Always make sure to brush your teeth. Teeth are really expensive to take care of. Next.
Next, I'm gonna jump in the shower. You're not coming. Oh, much better. Okay, now to the battle plan. Let's go. All right, to the battle plan. Always have a battle plan. Got my net worth, tracking it, I took a little hit these last 3 months. I think everybody has, but that's why you have to have a plan. Okay, investment goals right here. Increase meta to 5%. Love it. I'll talk about that when we're at the desk and we're ready. Scale it on any bounce. Now, I mean like a big bounce. I'm obviously gonna scale it to some of my position, but only a little bit. I wanna keep it in a good spot. Focus drip into chem trade, passive income, great. Increase my Wonder share. We'll talk about Wonder when I get over there. My Wonderfi position, I'm loving that. There's big news there. Sell Nuve into strength, over $100, and I'm gonna put some more into Aritzia because Aritzia is a giant in the making. Okay, let's keep going, but we can't do these. We need new digs. Okay, let's go. Okay, much better. Okay, let's get into this. What we're doing today, what I'm excited to share you guys. Let's do a little setup here, and let's go from standing up and not prepared to. All right, and we're here, we're ready to talk. Okay, this is what's been going on. The investment portfolio, 3 months. We've all been there, man. The bears have come out, the inflation, China, Russia, all this stuff has been crazy. What am I doing with my portfolio? Okay, first of all, a little heart dagger, I literally had to buy shares of the devil company, Facebook, Meta. You have to at this point. It's an advertising mega monster. It's got some of the best free cash flow in the game. It is one of the biggest companies. Okay, going forward, not so much growth, but that's fantastic for me. I don't care. It's a mega cap company with a PE of around 15. My average is around 207. I was buying from 230 all the way down to 190. I should have bought more at the 190 level, but what are you gonna do? Same with Alibaba. Alibaba is a huge company. Now, there's one reason I'm super excited and bullish on Alibaba, because of their cloud computing. Now, all this stuff that was happening in China, it's hampered it a little, but going forwards in the future, you're looking for a company that in 2025 will be making as much on its cloud that the market cap alone will be made for Alibaba by 2025. So there's growth there. I know it's a Chinese company and I'm a little nervous holding it, but as far as I can tell, their accounting practices are very sound. Okay, so I've bought a bunch of Facebook. I'm holding about, I want to say market value right now, 4,500 USD. I bought a bunch of Alibaba. I got Alibaba at $84.70, and I was very happy. I scooped up a big position from there, was very happy with that. Then I started buying it at 109 again, and I've been buying it all the way back down into the 90s again. I want it to be a 5% position in my portfolio. The whole name of the game coming up is to make sure my portfolio is well-rounded enough to handle whatever is coming into the future and to experience some lovely growth. So, because I can't handle Excel. I don't know about you guys, but Excel's not my game. So I went through my list. I've got everything I have, the percentage of my portfolio. I'd show you guys, but maybe in a future video. All I want to tell you right now is Fortis, you're sitting at 9% of the portfolio. You have to have your bellwethers. You have to have the things that are going to keep okay, I'm going to tell you right now, the biggest positions in my portfolio, Fortis, 9%, TELUS, 7.5%, RioCan, 7.9%, Bank of Nova Scotia at 8.5%. These are the things that are going to keep my portfolio steady. And I really do, well, depending on your age, but I really do encourage everyone watching to make sure there's a big portion of your portfolio in safe is a relative term, but safe and steady stocks. Okay, Wonderfi. Now this is a company, let's see. Let's check out the old cheat sheet. All right. Wonderfi, I have about a 2% weighting. I do want to get that up to 4% just because it's a company that's going to be consolidating the Canadian crypto world and the regulated firms and businesses. That's the most important one. As crypto keeps rolling, Canada's very favorable to crypto. You want to make sure you're getting those regulated businesses, because once those regulations start coming down, those are the ones that are going to come through and everyone's going to come flocking to. You don't want to be an unregulated crypto right now. It could be scary. I think Coinbase is just getting sued as of today for another reason. Okay. Excuse me, sorry. Excited to be back. Okay, so the portfolio is down. As I showed you, I've been tracking my net worth. I got back up to $203,000 a month ago. I was very happy, but because let's just say it, because of the TAC crash, because of that awful position I took, I'm still very bullish, but right now nobody can say it was a very good position to take, and it has been harming me. Okay, so what am I doing? What's going on? Making sure my Wonderfi position is up to 4%. Making sure my Baba position is up to 5%, and making sure my Facebook position is strong. So I bought some Alibaba today at 93 and 94. I bought about 4 shares. I bought 2 Meta shares today at, I want to say 208.70. What am I going to do with those? I'm going to hold them. This is a long-term investor channel. I buy, I hold. I buy, I hold. Sometimes things can get a little oversold. In that case, I'll spread it out, or I'll take some profit, put it into something else that gives me dividends. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Have a plan. Take care of yourself, especially those pearly whites. Dentistry, even in Canada. Even in Canada, there's a lot of things that aren't covered. I don't know if there's any Americans watching out there, but yeah, like what's one tooth, $5,000 in Canada to get replaced? Your portfolio, you need to pay attention to it right now, because I don't know if we're going up, I don't know if we're going down, but whatever's happening right now, it's volatile. So I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Buying Meta, buying Baba. Meta's at 15 PE. Baba's around 25 PE. If Baba goes under 20 PE, I'll be buying more. If Meta goes under 15 PE, I'll be buying more. If Wonder is just it's a $100 million market cap, and they just bought 2 of the biggest exchanges in Canada. Okay, so that is a no-brainer for me. TAT, the dagger, it's still there, but we're gonna work with it. You learn from your mistakes in this investment game. Nobody picking stocks picks a winner every single time. Don't do what I did. Don't over leverage into your favorite stock and get emotionally involved. But that's it, guys. So thanks for joining today. Buying Meta, buying Alibaba, buying Wonderfi. Thanks for joining me, guys, and that's it. Financial Forecaster, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, leave a comment, tell me if I'm foolish, or tell me if you're buying Baba, Meta, and Wonderfi too. Thanks for coming. Let's go getting rich together.